Welcome to LSRP's Universal Fit. In this video we will learn how to install washing machine stand. To install a washing machine stand, first, we will have to measure washing machine, legs length and width from front, and the side of the washing machine. At first step, measure the washing machine's legs length, from the front, and side, as shown in the video. It is 19.5 inches, from the front side of the washing machine. Now measure the length of the legs either from right or left side of the washing machine. This washing machine, which we have used as an example, has its legs 18.5 inches wide from the sides. In our case, the washing machine has its legs 19.5 inches wide from the front and 18.5 inches wide from the sides. Accordingly, we will have to adjust our stand. Now, remove LSRP's Universal Fit washing machine stand packaging. Once the packaging is removed, we need to loosen the size adjustment knobs given on all the four sides to adjust the size of the stand. Then, measure the stand's default size. To understand what size we need to extend to make the room for our washing machine's legs to fit in, measure from both the sides, the front and from any of the sides like we did in the case of measuring washing machine's leg size. In this case, stand size needs to be extended from one side only. Now to adjust the size, pull the respective leg of the stand to attain the desired size. Please note, more the heavier the stand will be, more the force it will need in pulling to get extended to the desired size. If the desired size is not attained, then please gently tap the stand from the respective side. Once the desired size is attained, please tighten the size adjustment knobs firmly and equally from all the sides. Now is the most important step of washing machine stand installation, the vibration absorbing jack installation. This is exactly where most of the users does mistakes. Please watch carefully. All four jacks needs to be completely rotated anti-clockwise till the last point. Please follow along. Done. Now, one of the four jacks is properly loosened. Same way, we need to loosen remaining three jacks too. Now check the stand stability and balance by putting weight on it. If it shakes, then jacks are not properly or equally loosened. Please check. If the stand feels balanced and stable, then in our second last step, we need to put washing machine on stand now. At the last step, we need to cross-check if the washing machine is stable or not. Please follow along. If the machine is shaking, then please lift the machine little up and rotate the washing machine's legs height equally on all corners or on the respective corners which are causing the stability issues. Rotate the legs anti-clockwise to adjust the height. Now check again. If the machine is stable, then we have successfully installed washing machine stand.
LSRP's Universal. It really fits.